Welcome to episode 270 of the Digital Tourism Show. And in this 5-minute workshop, I want you to create your own crystal ball, a 2-year cash flow predictor that allows you to see your business and what it will look like over the next 2 years. Now, I've been using a crystal ball for the past 10 years, and I've found it invaluable for planning for the future. Once set up, you will not only have a complete overview of how healthy your business is currently, but it also allows you to and helps you see into the future and gives you a facility to play about with your figures to see how a price increase, a new product, or a new member of staff will affect your profitability. Now, many business owners live month by month, day by day even, and have no true sense of how healthy their business is. When asked what is their average sales, how many tours you did in June, it tends to be guesswork. Within the show notes of this episode, I have provided you with both a Google Sheet and an Excel file that you can use to create your own cash flow crystal ball. I have also supplied an example sheet so you can see how it looks with all the data in place. I want you to spend 5 minutes a day for as long as it takes to eliminate any guesswork and get to grips with how profitable your business is by using the provided sheet and updating it with your own information. To help you further, below is another link to a video on how to use the spreadsheet. This is not just great insight into your business, but it allows you to make more informed marketing decisions. Are you paying over the odds for paid advertising, for example, or those commissions? It really helps to predict the potential future of your business and plan accordingly. Now, please, as always, leave your comments on my Digital Tourism Show Facebook group and let me know how you get on, especially if it has thrown up a few surprises. Look forward to hearing from you.